Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video on how to apply Cambodia E-Visa, and this is my Cambodia E-Visa, guys. So last year when I went to Cambodia, a lot of you guys saw my video and then you applied for the same and you got your Cambodia E-Visa. But what has happened over the year is they have changed a bit of process. If you allow and give free visas to anyone, obviously there's going to be a large number of population and they have to tighten the rules somehow. So what they have done is they have tightened the process in terms of uploading bank statements or uploading your flight tickets, onward and return flight tickets, and also your hotel bookings. So a lot of you guys commented on that video saying your video is a bit outdated and we are now required to upload so and so things, so make a new video. So this video I'll be sharing my screen, 80% I'll be sharing my screen and showing you guys on how to apply Cambodia E-Visa now in December 2024. So before I begin guys, before I go to my screen, one small request again. As you can see on my screen, 94% of you guys who are watching my channel regularly are not subscribers. That is a very demotivating factor. So my only humble request to you guys is just hit that subscribe button. So let's get back to the video and let's go back to my screen in fact, and let's begin the Cambodia E-Visa process. I hope you can see my screen. So once you go to Google, go to Cambodia E-Visa for Indians, and then you can see many fake links guys, so do not click on that. Just select E-Visa Kingdom of Cambodia official government website, and once you go to this you can just click on apply now. Once you select apply now, just enter the captcha. It's very simple. Apply now, and yeah, so here you have an option to read your passport, attach your passport and upload your photograph. But if you click on read passport, it will automatically upload your photo as well. So let me show you that. So just select this passport sample. This is the sample Mr. Bean's basically Indian passport. So I'm just going to use that for this demo purpose. And yes, the photo has been scanned automatically, and let's fill these details one by one. So yeah, Mr. Bean, then telephone number +91. Please give your own telephone number guys, and I'm just going to select abc@gmail.com. I'm going to retype it, and let's come over here. I'll just select as mail and date of birth. I will choose some dummy date of birth just for this video purpose, and this would be India. The current nationality is India, and residential address they have not put a star, so I'll just leave this blank guys. And address during visit in Cambodia, so I stayed in Siem Reap for 4 days, and this is the hotel I stayed, and I've also made a dedicated video on this particular hotel. So I'll just select blank Smith residence, and I'll also put their address as well. Yeah, and heard us from, again you don't have to fill this guys because there's no star on it. So I'll give some kind of dummy passport number, and the date of issue I'll give it as maybe 2016 December 7th, and expiry I'll give it as 2026 and December 6th. It should be right, yes. And country of passport, this will be India. So this is done, and you have to, this is the main section I was talking about. This is a very new section. So when I went in 2023, that is last year March, this was not there. This was completely not there, and this is a complete new section guys. I don't know why they introduced this, but this is something that you have to be really careful and pragmatic about. So I'm going to explain this to you one by one. First of all, visa type has to be visa T, tourist only, and flight ticket in and flight ticket out, which is flight ticket, inward ticket and outward ticket. For example, if you're going from Bangalore to Siem Reap, you have to upload it here, and Siem Reap to Bangalore, you have to upload it here on the second row. So here again we don't have a valid ticket, right? So just let's select some kind of dummy document for us to just get on with this ticket. And if you are coming by bus, please please provide your bus ticket, because a lot of people travel from Thailand to Cambodia by bus, and thus that bus ticket has to be previously reserved, and you have to upload it here because they will definitely verify this. And the most important section in this document is your bank statement from the last 3 months. So your bank statement, you can just download the PDF and upload it, but in case if you're facing any difficulty, if they respond back to you saying that this is not accepted, then what you can do is you can go to the bank, ask for seal and signature of the bank, which is not required, but I'm just telling you, if you, because a few people have got email saying that the bank statement is not accepted. If the bank statement is not accepted, you have to take a printout, get the sign and the seal from the bank, and again scan it and then upload it here, guys. So again, we don't have to do that because we are for this video purpose, we don't have to actually upload the bank statement itself. And hotel reservation, it is not asked, but we'll just upload the same thing. So kindly download into PDF of this hotel reservation and upload it accordingly. And next, will intended date of entry, I would choose January 7th, and the port of entry I would choose Siem Reap. So two biggest airports in Cambodia is Phnom Penh Airport and Siem Reap Airport. So I'll choose Siem Reap Airport. So once I select this, I'll click on next. Okay, so it is asking me to review everything, guys. Basically, the amount you have paid successfully will not be refunded. So I'll just click on agree and I will just click on submit. Just taking a minute or two, I believe. Yeah, so it will come to the payment page and the total amount needs to be paid $36 US. And one small tip when you get to this page is your card, debit or credit card, has to be international transactions have to be enabled, guys, basically. Okay, if you do not enable international transactions, your payment will not go through and it will get rejected. And if it gets 2 or 3 times rejected, your card will be blocked by the bank. So kindly go to the net banking or mobile banking and enable international transactions and set a limit and then use this. So once I select, for example, MasterCard, it will ask for my HDFC card, which I have. I do have a time limit of 2 minutes. Just this payment is like any other payment. So you just have to select this and make the payment and you will get the visa within 2 working days. I got the visa. So as you saw my video, guys, Cambodia is one of the easiest visas for Indians. It is so easy. I got my visa in 4 hours. That's all. I applied it around 11 o'clock or something IST and I got it by 3 o'clock. It is the most easiest visa, like I've already told in my previous videos as well. If there was any easiest visa that Indians can apply, any easy e-visa or sticker visa Indians can apply, is this Cambodia E-Visa, which is very, very easy to get. So I hope this video was very, very informative. It's a very short video. So if you have any questions, feel free to follow me and then ping me on Instagram because I'm not getting notified, or comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. I hope this video was very, very helpful, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video.